Hi, it's Michelle again from CNC Designs, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand. This is part 2 of the video showing how to make the snowman card. I didn't intend to make a two-part video, but my alarm went off on my phone, which stopped the video. So I've had to make a second part to it. So we're carrying on from where it left off. I was showing you the extra little blobs of snow that I created with a few drops in the various parts on the front of the card. So now we're ready to put our card together. So with this, normally I would use tear and tape or double-sided tape to attach it, but I don't want to squish down any of these elements. So I'm just going to use my Tombow to adhere this to the front of my card. Always make sure that you've got your card folding the right way around when you adhere it. There's nothing worse than sticking a card together and finding out you've just made a left-handed card. So a bit of Tombow. You don't need a lot because a little goes a long way, and I just put a bit in the middle for luck. And stick it down, line it up. We should have a nice gap around the edge. Nice thing with Tombow is it gives you room to move things around, which I call wiggle room. So you just want to press that down without squishing your snow too much. You can always add a bit more snow afterwards if you feel you've squished it. Okay, so there's our front of our card done. So on the inside I've already attached the mat, and now I've got the words that I stamped earlier in the first video. So just going to attach that. Sorry about that. With the double-sided tape, the tear and tape, and I just use my scissors to help to pull it up if you just poke part way through. And I like to do tabs when I do tear and tape adhesive because that allows me to get better placement. If I mess up and place it, like if I were to stick it upside down or something, it's only going to stick on those two parts until I pull the tab away. So I can line it up, get it as centered as I want. So if I push here, the tape hasn't been pulled up, so that's fine. It's not going to stick there. So once I line up one corner, I can hold it down and then get the alignment and then just push where I know I've already pulled up the tape and then just slide that off and then slide that off. And that gives you nearly perfect placement. And that's it. So it was only a short extra bit that I had to do. So that's the card done. So this one, it's not a Christmas card. It's just a card you would give somebody if, you know, they having a hard time, something's happened, there's no real good card for what is going on. So this one just says nothing else to say, but I know this must be hard for you. So it's a bit of a funny card, but also a empathetic card, and that was my original one that just says, well, this is just difficult. I just didn't know what to say. So the Genuine Gems stamp set is really good because there's a lot of sayings on here that, you know, are good for cards to give somebody, just to give them a little pick-me-up or let them know that you're thinking about them and you know it's a difficult time for them, but you just want them to know that you're there for them. So if you enjoyed that video and the previous one, part 1, please give me a thumbs up. I will put in the description all the different sizes of the pieces that I use to make the cards, as well as if you like to put comments, I welcome those. Please subscribe so you'll be kept up to date on future videos. And I certainly hope you've enjoyed that different type of card, not a Christmas card, but cute nonetheless. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!